What's up, guys? It's Freddie coming back at you with a quick video today. I know I haven't posted anything in a while. My house has been sick for a while. This little dude got me sick. So yeah, and haven't really had much to talk about, much to do. I've got a whole bunch of stuff coming in that I'm gonna get going here with the layout here soon, as far as getting the track laid and wiring and all that stuff, but it's just taking me a little while to kind of get everything together. But the next couple weeks here, we're really gonna get cooking. But in the meantime, I've been doing what I love to do, which is accumulate rolling stock that I don't have a layout to run on. But we just got this in the mail. Just got it yesterday. So, and we were gonna open it yesterday, but we had too much going on, so we held off till today. But little dude's gonna help me out here, right? Yeah. Okay, let's see here. What kind of cars are we opening?
Hopper.
Yep, hoppers. Let's see here. We can get it. Whoever packed this did a good job.
No.
And I've been lucky to this point. I have not gotten a damaged car yet. Knock on wood. So let's see here. All right. Okay. Let's see if I can just slide this out here. They're in there tight. Okay. All right. First one. Chassis system. And also got a Norfolk and Western.
You got this before.
Because of course, right?
Judy.
I love anything Norfolk and Western, Southern Railway, chassis system, B&O, etc. So, let's see what we got here.
This one. I like this one.
You like that one? Can you hold it up? It's upside down. You flip it around? You turn it around, show everybody? Yeah, I like that one too. I love the chassis system. I love the colors, you know? The yellow, the orange, the blue. It's very pretty.
Oh, look at it. I'm gonna put this in here.
Here, let me help you with that. I'm gonna rip the box. Okay. Oh, it's a nice.
That works. That
There
works.
you go.
That works.
Center flow hopper, Norfolk and Western. This is nice. This is from 1991. And it's got the other one. You got the other one? Okay. Careful, man. That's it. Careful. Careful. We're good. We're good.
Which one is it? You have
No,
a dog.
don't throw those away.
You have a
Don't throw
dog,
those
though.
away.
You have a dog, though.
And this one, this chassis system's from 1988. Very cool. Nice.
Yes, free.
You know, the Norfolk and Western, well, I mean, a lot of cars, I was looking at this and I'm thinking this would be a great car to weather, maybe, but I don't have any experience or any know-how to do that. And I'm kind of on the fence about stuff like that. I don't want to ruin cars that I have. And I've thought about just getting some cheap MPC era cars and kind of weathering those. But if anybody has an experience weathering or some tips and you know how I might go about doing that, please let me know in the comments. It'd be great to know. I can't wait to get both of these on the eventual layout. It'll be great to get that out. But next couple weeks, I'll have some more videos coming out where we'll actually get into the nitty gritty of doing everything. But yeah, really nice pickup. Got these off eBay. I got a really good price on them too for both of them, and they're in really, really good shape. You want to hold yours up? Yeah, very cool. Yeah, very cool. Chassis system, Norfolk and Western. They're really nice, and they're in great shape. I don't know if these were hardly even run at all, but awesome. Anyways, thanks for joining me, guys. like I said, I'm gonna have a whole lot more coming out real soon. Thank you to all my subscribers, and appreciate everyone who's new to the channel. It's gonna be a lot of fun coming up real soon. So look forward to seeing you guys. Look forward to talking to you guys next time. And remember, until next time, it's O gauge or no gauge.